Hello there, and welcome back to another StonBrothers weekly tutorial. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make your 24-piece snake cube into a flower. Oh, by the way, make sure to check out our channel before leaving this video. My brother and I make awesome tutorials every week that I'm sure you're gonna like. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So the first step in solving your snake puzzle is to get it in a line like I have it right here, an unsolved line. Then the first thing that you're gonna do is take this piece right here, make sure it's rotated like this, and then take this piece right here and turn it over, kind of away from you. And then you're going to take this whole section right here and turn it downwards. So this whole section you're going to turn downwards. Okay? And then this whole section again you're going to rotate twice. So rotating it twice. Okay? So now it should look something like this. So then I'm going to rotate it slowly. I'm going to try to go slowly throughout the whole tutorial. But you're going to hold it like this now. And after that, you're going to rotate this one right here. You're going to rotate it towards you. So something like this. Now you're going to take this piece right here and rotate it towards you again. Now it's hard to do since I don't want to hit the camera, but that is the angle you want. And then you're going to take this piece right here and rotate it away from you or to the right. And then on the top here, I hope you're following along. On the top here, you're going to count 1, 2, and then rotate this piece upwards or away from you. Okay? Now you're going to rotate this one. You're going to pivot it. So pivot it like this. You're going to pivot it so that this piece right here touches with this piece. That's the goal. Like that. Okay? So I'm going to do that one more time. Just to get an angle right there. But I'm holding it the same way. So you're going to rotate it so that it goes like that. Okay? Now take this piece. That's one right over from the place that you joined the pieces. And then rotate it downwards so that it's facing downwards. So then we have something like this. Now you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and then rotate this piece downwards. Okay? Now you're going to want to swivel this piece 2 times so that it touches with this piece right here, so that these join up. I'll do it again. So this piece is going to join up with this piece. That is the goal. That is what you should be looking for. And so once you've combined these, then you should have the completed flower like this. Now to do the base. So we're going to flip the flower over so that the flower is facing away from us. And then we're going to count 8 from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to rotate this one twice. All right, now we're going to count 1, 2, and then rotate this one away from us, kind of like this. Now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and rotate that one twice. Now we're going to count 1, 2, and rotate that one twice. All right, 2 more steps. Now we're going to count 1, 2 from the very back, and then rotate this one twice. Now we're just going to rotate this last piece so that it will lock in like that. And there you have it, the flower. Alright, that's all for this video. If you have any questions or need help with anything, leave a comment down below and I will respond within 24 hours, and maybe even sooner if you're lucky. Also, it would be awesome if you could check out our channel where we make interesting videos every week. I'll put a couple of our videos right here, and you can subscribe to our channel right here. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.